Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2018 GLE 350 4MATIC. This one's a sunlight gray. Underneath there's a 3.5 V6 pushing out 302 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. For wheels we've got 19-inch 5-spoke alloys, brushed aluminum running boards, black MB-Tex interior, sunroof, trailer hitch, GLE 350 4MATIC badging, clean set of floor mats, fold down rear seats, cargo cover, premium one package with blind spot assist, Harman Kardon sound system, anthracite poplar wood trim, heated steering wheel, smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, pedal shifters for extra performance, push start ignition, navigation, rear view backup camera, hard keys for our media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, dynamic selects for different driving patterns, touchpad and wheel for infotainment center. This GLE has 22,261 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLE 350 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.